Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.89. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Intel has shown a remarkable gain of 25.33% since our initial recommendation to buy the stock 40 days ago. In other words, Intel has been delivering an average daily return of 0.63% since it was listed as a hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong upward trend, indicating that it is likely to continue rising. Over the next 3 months, there is a potential for a 42.25% change in the stock's value, with a possible return ranging from 29.81% to 53.26%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 48.11% change, with a potential return between 9.99% and 57.89%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $52.58 to $75.47 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings some concerning news as the stock has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. Yesterday, on Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the Intel stock price dropped by 4.88% from $50.25 to $47.80. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.06%, ranging from a low of $47.45 to a high of $49.38. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has been fluctuating, resulting in a modest gain of 3.55%. Despite a 16 million increase in trading volume, the prices have continued to fall. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly higher risk in the coming days. Overall, approximately 45 million shares were traded, amounting to a total value of $2.16 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the Intel stock has reached a high of $51.28, while hitting a low of $24.73. Currently, the price is 6.78% or $3.48 below the 52-week high. It is also 31.01% or $21.49 below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Today, we're going to discuss the latest analyst ratings for Intel Corporation, ticker symbol Intel. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Bank of America Securities joined in on Friday, December 15, 2023, giving Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities had a more positive outlook, giving Intel an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Lastly, on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave Intel a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's analyze the signals for Intel stock. The short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal for Intel stock, while the long-term average is showing a buy signal. This suggests that the stock is giving a positive forecast overall, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $49.25. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $44.56. A break above the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence (MACD) is giving a buy signal for Intel stock. However, there have also been some negative signals recently, which could impact the stock's short-term development. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -5.83% so far. It is likely that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that volume increased when prices fell yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. It is recommended to closely monitor the stock's performance in light of these signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, this is a buy signal. Pivots, this is a sell signal that occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger, this is a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, this is a sell signal that occurred 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, this is a buy signal that occurred 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, this is a buy signal that occurred 41 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following. Short moving average, this is a buy signal that occurred 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, this is a buy signal that occurred 46 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, this is a buy signal that occurred 191 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Intel. Intel currently has support from accumulated volume at $46.16. This means that when this support level is tested, there may be a buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction. However, it's important to note that this stock can be considered high risk due to its volatility. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $1.93, or 4.06%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.59%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Intel, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One such data point is the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us understand the relationship between a company's current share price and its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or are currently operating at a loss. Established companies can go through temporary downturns due to external factors, but consistent negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, let's take a look at the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023. The report is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $0.430. These numbers hold significant influence over stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for Intel. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $48. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to break through this level before considering a position. On the other hand, if you already own the stock, this could be a good level to keep in mind for swing trading opportunities. Now, let's focus on the downside. Intel's first support level is at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, Intel has received a combined average rating of buy. Now let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, the CEO of Intel, conducted an insider buy transaction, purchasing 13,063 shares of common stock. Also on December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger conducted an insider sell transaction, disposing of 6,477 shares of common stock. On the same day, Patrick P. Gelsinger conducted another insider sell transaction, this time involving 13,063 shares of restricted stock units. Moving on to December 3, 2023, David Zinsner, an insider at Intel, made a purchase of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. Similarly, Christoph Schell, another insider at Intel, bought 5,283 shares of restricted stock units on December 3, 2023. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of -8.785. Overall, insiders have bought 338,672 shares and sold 407,312 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $45.54, which represents a decrease of 4.72%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which brings along a higher level of risk. We've also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago, further indicating a potential downward trend. Is Intel stock a good buy? Although Intel holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Currently, it would be best to consider it as a hold candidate or to accumulate more shares while waiting for further development. Our analysis indicates a slight downgrade from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity. On Wednesday, January 3, we anticipate Intel to open with a gain of $0.411, starting trading at $48.21. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, let's take a moment to understand the risks involved. Trading comes with a high risk of losing money, and it's crucial to seek advice from a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.